Hey everyone, welcome to the Shima Flow Yoga Kitchen. I'm Jody and today we are making a berry delicious smoothie. For the month of February, we are celebrating love, self-love, love to others, all that good stuff. And this berry delicious smoothie is a beautiful red color which symbolizes love. It also tastes delicious and is so easy to make. So come on in and check out these ingredients that are so powerful yet so simple. So we're going to start with our berries, right? We have raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries. Really good for heart health, our immune system, for digestion, anti-aging, for cancer, thyroid, blood pressure. I mean, the list goes on and on, the health benefits of these berries. We've got about a cup to a cup and a half of a plant-based milk. I'm using unsweetened almond milk. So what I like to do is start with unsweetened milk, and then we can add our sweetener to taste so that we're not over sweetening our smoothie. We have bananas, which are low in fiber, high in calorie, help you feel full faster. We've got our lemon essential oil. This is doTERRA brand, right? What I recommend, it's the best brand out there. And the lemon comes from the lemon peel. And I've explained this before that the lemon peel is actually 5 to 10 times more potent with the vitamins than lemon juice alone. So 1 drop is all it's gonna take. And then the sweetener we're going to use is maple syrup, and we're going to just use that to taste. But the thing that makes me very excited is we're going to add kale, which is high in fiber, good for digestion, high in iron, antioxidants. It's anti-inflammatory. And the best part about this is that you will not even taste the kale. So if you have picky people in your house that don't like greens, this is exactly what you need for them. So we're gonna just throw all this stuff in the blender right away. And I'm gonna start with the kale because it's so light and fluffy. We're gonna put the lettuce, kale in there first, or the greens in there first. And then I'm gonna top it with this milk to kind of get it all down there. This is a little over a cup of milk here. And then I'm gonna add the berries, okay? And they're frozen. So what happens when you add frozen berries is that it gives it that nice thick, frothy, or not frothy, but thickness that you want in your smoothie. Banana, I'm just gonna split it in half. If you can freeze the banana first, that's even better, then you don't have to add ice. 1 drop of lemon essential oil is all you need for this smoothie. And then I'm gonna add probably about a teaspoon of maple syrup to put in there to start, and then you can always add as you want to. That's how easy this is. So I'm going to put the top on here, close it up, and then let's start this smoothie and see what happens. Let me put the power on. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a little bit of a taste here to make sure I have enough sweetener in here. Yum, perfect. And the consistency looks pretty good as well. I'm going to take that out. Why don't you come on in and let's pour this in the glass and check it out. Oh, perfect consistency for a smoothie. You know what would be really cool in here is you have some fresh mint, and you could just take a little sprig of mint and put it right on top before you serve it to your friends. So we'll take one more sip here. That is very delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try it, comment below, let me know how it worked for you. Oh, you know what else I can taste is this lemon essential oil. It gives it that perfect amount of tartness with the sweetness of the smoothie. So if you like the video, press the like button, share it with others. Of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you very soon. Namaste.